Hey trumpet players, I hope you guys are having a great week so far. In this video, I want us to review our notes that we've learned so far, C, D, E, F, G, and A, and also I want us to teach new notes, which are B, A, and G, our low notes. In this video, the way this is going to work is I'm going to show you where the note is found on the music staff. I'm going to have a rhythm on this side of the board that we're going to play together. And then we're also going to make sure that we are listening to our notes, and what you play on your end should match what I'm playing on my end. The first note that we're going to review is C. C is found on one ledger line below the treble clef. C is when you do not press any buttons and you use slower air. Now, if you haven't gone and practiced buzzing yet with the first video of this week, I want you to stop the video right now and go do that. So, with C, we can use air that is straight into our instrument and slow. Let's match and play C together. For this, we are going to play it as a whole note, which lasts for 4 beats. So everyone tap your foot this speed. 1, 2, ready, go. And now, let's play it for 4 beats, our C. I want you to listen to me play it and then try it yourself. 1, 2, ready, The next note that we are going to play is D. D is found one space below our bottom line of the treble clef. The fingering for D is my first index finger, which is the closest to the mouthpiece, and my ring finger, which is the furthest from the mouthpiece. Now, let's play D on the trumpet. We will also play this as a whole note, which lasts for 4 beats. Everyone tap your foot. 1, 2, ready, play. The next note that we are going to play is E. E is found directly on the bottom line of the treble clef. The fingering for E is my index finger and my middle finger, and make sure that I'm using my G lips and fast air to be able to play this. Listen and make sure that your note is matching. This will be the last note that we play as a whole note for 4 beats. Everyone tap your foot, press 1 and 2. 1, 2, big breath, and play. Now let's play F. F is found on the first or bottom space of the treble clef. Notice how this note is fitting right in between these 2 lines. The fingering for F is just my first finger, and I have to make sure that I'm using G lips. Now let's play F as 2 half notes. Each half note is worth 2 beats, so I will think F, F. Let's play it on our instrument. To help you play your G lips, make sure that you, instead of aiming your air directly into the mouthpiece, if you aim your air a little bit at the bottom, it helps make that note go a little higher. Let's play F as half notes now. Tap your foot. 1, 2, ready, play. Our next note is G. G is found on the second line, and we use our G lips. The fingering is nothing, just like C, but remember we have to use faster air and aim our air down to be able to play G. Make sure that you are very, very comfortable playing your C lips and your G lips before we go on. Now let's play G as 2 half notes, which each last 2 beats. Everyone make sure you're sitting with good posture. Tap your foot. 1, 2, ready, play. The last note that we are going to review is A. If you remember, in music, we only have the first 7 letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And when we need to go higher than G, we go back to the beginning of the alphabet, which is A. A is found on the second space of the treble clef, and remember, you have to use even faster air than G. You have to use your high C air to be able to play this A. The fingering for A is 1 and 2, and make sure that you have fast, direct air. Now let's play A as 2 half notes, just like this. Everyone tap your foot. 1, 2, ready, go. So trumpet players, now that we've reviewed the first 6 notes, we're going to learn some new notes which are going to be lower than our C. So for the next 3 notes, B, A, and low G, we can all use our C lips. So this note is B. B is found underneath the first ledger line. So C was right here, and we're going down 1 note, so we go 1 letter lower than C, which is B. The fingering for B is the second finger, so I have to think C lips and my middle finger here, and B will sound like this. So here's C, here's B. Now, let's play B as 2 half notes, which are equal to 2 beats each. Tap your foot, press the second button. 1, 2, ready, play. Our next note is A. A uses our C lips and is found 2 ledger lines below the staff. So see how I have this top ledger line is where C goes, and A is going to be an extra one below it. The fingering for A, just like our high A, is 1 and 2, but I use my C lips. So let's play A as a whole note lasting 4 beats. 1, 2, ready, play. Make sure that your note is matching my note. Use those ears of yours. So everyone, the last note that we're going to play in this video is our low G. So the low G, the fingering is 1 and 3, and we make sure that we use our C lips. This is your lowest note that we will play, so make sure you use very slow air. This is what G sounds like. And now let's play it using our tongue 4 times, playing quarter notes. Everyone tap your foot, press 1 and 3. 1, 2, ready, play. So trumpet players, I really hope that this video helped you. I want you to go back to the beginning and I want you to play through this entire video again to review your notes. Remember, we have our C lips, our G lips, and our high C lips to be able to play all these different notes. If you need to in your music, feel free to always write fingerings or letter names, whatever helps you play all the notes right and make it the most musical thing possible. I miss you guys. Have a good week.